Fear lies in the mind. Mind does not have any discrimination to decide on what is irrational fear or rational fear. Rational fears are fears which is needed to survive in this world, like fire, like a snake bite. These fears are essential to survive. Irrational fears are like, if I get judged, if I get rejected, will people accept me? This irrational fear stops you to live a fulfilling life. For example, you get a chance to present to a front of public. Moment you look at the public, you sweat, you're shivering, your heart is pumping. It's not able to discriminate between a tiger or the room full of people. Hence, you need to use intellect which can discriminate, which can reason to separate between a rational fear and an irrational fear. To overcome this irrational fear, you need to have a field of action, a field of job where you really love with it. And you need to set a higher purpose which is beyond your egocentric desires like fame, respect, promotion. In this way, you'll be able to overcome your fear and hopefully you lead a fulfilling and happy life.